Getting up in the mornings is easy, even if I have to cycle, drive, or run to work. It's as if I can feel something amazing is about to happen today. Here at the Autodesk Technology Center in Birmingham, we have the power to make anything. The atmosphere around Autodesk is technical, exciting, and very rewarding. It's an environment where we get to test the limits and try things that make a difference. Here, we're known for advanced manufacturing. We have a huge selection of technology at our disposal. We have 5-axis machine tools, mill turn centers, robotic solutions. We have machines that can do high-rate deposition of additive manufacturing. We even have hardware platforms that combine additive and subtractive in a single machine. It's not all work, we do get to have some fun too. We're a community of collaborators, innovators, and fun seekers.
My job is a research engineer.
I work in Juniper team, which is DevOps team.
I'm a development manager.
I am an experienced designer.
I'm adaptive.
Proud. Focused.
Creative.
Happy.
Crazy. I'm an old lady.
They call me a troublemaker.
I'm a collaborator.
Intelligent.
Welcome to the Advanced Manufacturing Facilities, Birmingham.